Hi, hope you're doing well. In a previous video I showed you how to put in some code that would unhide all of your different tabs, all of your worksheets. So in this video I'm going to show you how to write some code that'll enable you to run a macro to automatically hide them. So basically the opposite of what we did in the other video. Okay, so let's get started. Developer and Visual Basic. And I just want to say that there's a number of reasons you might need to use something like this. Say you've got a spreadsheet that you're measuring financial results for different departments, but you only want to show one particular department. This will enable you to show the department you want, hide the rest of them, just by selecting the worksheet that you want, then running the macro to hide the rest. It'll make things very easy for you in that regard. Okay, so we'll open a new module. And we'll call this one Hide All Except ActiveSheet. A sub hide all except ActiveSheet. Open close brackets to get us started. Okay, and just like in the other video, we'll start off by defining the dimensions that we're working with. So dimension ws is worksheet. Okay, so for each worksheet in this workbook, worksheets. Okay, so what we're saying here is the dimension is we're looking at each worksheet, and we're also looking at each worksheet in the Excel workbook. Now, here's the if function. If the worksheet.Name is not, so is less than or greater than the ActiveSheet.Name, then the worksheet visible equals xlSheetHidden. And I'll also just make the comment here that the very hidden that you see in the second option basically hides it so that when you right click on the tabs at the bottom, it doesn't come up with these tabs. You've got to basically bring them back through other means. But that's a bit beyond the scope of this particular video. I I might do another video in the future about the very hidden tabs. Okay, so equals xlSheetHidden. So just to make sure we go through the whole loop, put next worksheet. And that looks like everything. Okay, let's see how we go. We'll open a bunch of new tabs here. Okay, so we've got sheet 1 selected. So if this macro works correctly, it'll hide everything except for sheet 1. Okay, there we go. And we see all the hidden tabs here. So if you've got this code saved as a macro, it can potentially save you time when you have to hide a lot of other tabs, and if you're doing it very often. So I hope you found it useful. Thanks again for watching the video.